and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram action blocked issue. When you receive this kind of an error message on Instagram, it means that your action has been blocked on Instagram. There are a lot of reasons why this problem might arise in the first place. Some of the reasons are you've exceeded the Instagram daily or hourly action limits, your account might be too young, or you might have violated Instagram rules, or in times you've misused automation on Instagram. Whatever the reasons are, we've come up with some fixes for your problem in today's video. Before moving on, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to fix Instagram action blocked issue, the first thing you can do is reinstall your Instagram application. Simply go ahead and keep pressing the application for a while and tap on the uninstall button from the expanded menu. Once you do that, you'll be able to uninstall your Instagram application from your device. Go to your Play Store and search for Instagram and reinstall the application on your device. After you do that, your problem might be solved. The next thing you can try out is to switch to mobile data if you are using a Wi-Fi connection or vice versa. Sometimes Instagram even blocks accounts at the stage of creating ones if it doesn't like the IP. So after you see any errors, you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Another thing you can try out is to link your Instagram account to Facebook. Go to your Instagram application and tap it open. From your home screen, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner. Now, from this menu, tap on Settings. After you do that, tap on Account under Settings, scroll down and find Sharing to Other Apps and give it a tap. Make sure that you're linked to Facebook. Tap on the first option, and once you do that, enable the buttons in order to link your Instagram to your Facebook. If your account is not linked to Facebook and it has been threatened with the action block, you can simply go and link it to your Facebook page. If it still doesn't fix the issue, you can try changing the device you logged into your Instagram from. Go ahead and try using other phone or other devices or even your other PC and see if that works. If nothing works out, you'll have to wait it for 24 to 48 hours. After you do that, your block will disappear shortly, and make sure to not use Instagram or any third-party tool within this period of time. Those were some of the fixes whenever you're having trouble with Instagram action blocked issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.